today at the Ham Lake Farmers Market at Mickman Brothers Landscaping in their parking lot. We've got about 30 different awesome vendors that come every single week. We have a big variety, lots of former vendors that are returning. We have the Delano Bakery, so we've got a lot of baked goods. We have barbecue sauce, maple syrup, jams and mustards, 4 different produce vendors. We also have a bunch of artisan vendors. So we have ceramics, we have lamp oil candles on a regular basis, we have homemade soaps and Color Street nails. We do some Pampered Chef. We have a really good variety. It's really important to support our local business space. So some of our business representatives here too, we have like people from A-Team or the Ostiak Insurance Group, supporting Mickman Brothers, supporting our sponsors, which are Falcon Bank, Jam Hops, Twin City Gateway, and all of our local small vendors who it means so much to them that people come out, shop local, and really support them.
The City of Ham Lake organizes all the vendors and the food trucks and sets the whole thing up and manages all of it. So as the hosts, we're already here and we facilitate as much as possible. We open up all of our parking lots for all the customers. It's really an excellent partnership. We found City of Ham Lake really easy to work with.
Well, we support all business. We don't just support the big businesses like the banks and insurance companies. We support all of our businesses. So anything from the little jam person, which is myself, or to our other direct market vendors, to our produce vendors, to all of those people that aren't in these big stores, but really depend and thrive in our local community. We are Wednesdays, every Wednesday now through the end of September, always from 3 to 7 here in the Mickman Brothers parking lot. Find us on Facebook and Instagram at Ham Lake Farmers Market. Otherwise, our Ham Lake Chamber of Commerce website also has a page with all of our market vendors listed there as well.